Hi everyone, this is day 11 of Learn Takes in 2 Minute series. Today we will learn time intelligence basic like year to date, quarter to date and same period last year. Time intelligence functions are very useful when you want to compare performance across time. Before using any time intelligence functions, make sure to mark one of the tables containing date column as date table. I have imported sales data to show how time intelligence function works. I'm not using any separate date table. So let's start with year to date. So if you want cumulative sales from the start of the year, create a new measure and type YTD sales equals to total YTD. The expression would be sum of sale amount, closing parenthesis, comma, and select date column of sales table, closing parenthesis, and press enter. It will create a measure. Go to report view, drag the YTD sales, and the card will show the YTD sales, which is sum of sales from 1st Jan 25 till current date. Similarly, to get the total sales of this quarter, create a new measure and type QTD sales equals to total QTD. The expression would be sum of sales amount, closing parenthesis, comma, and select date column of sales table. Press enter, drag the QTD sales. You can see the QTD sales. Now next is same period last year, which returns a table that contains a column of dates of last year of the same duration. So to calculate sales of last year, create a measure and type sales last year equals to calculate opening parenthesis, expression would be sum of sales amount, closing parenthesis, comma, type same period last year and select the date column of sales. Press enter, drag the measure and it will show the sum of sales of last year. Now you can easily compare the sales of current year and of the same period of last year. In the next video, we will look at ranking with the rank X to find top and bottom performers. Stay tuned.